Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today I would like to review this Itel A05s. This is one of the latest Itel Android mobile, and we'll be reviewing it to see some of the spec um, about this particular device. So this is Itel A05. The phone came with 4 gig memory card, random memory, expandable to 4, which is 8 gig, and the ROM is 64 gig, as you can see. So the phone is just a low budget phone, and it's not just it's just very average to use, and the price is actually between the 70 to 8k, that is in Nigeria currency. So it's a low budget phone, and I'm showing you a lot of things. So now we just have to open the cover and then on the phone, so that you can see just a newly produced Itel, and the phone is in the market at L5. The battery capacity is 4000 milliampere, and as you can see, so you just have to check the specs, so from the carton you can see the silicone pouch that come with the phone, and you just have to place the phone on it as I just did, and then you can see the memory card there. So it's actually 8 gig RAM. It's actually 8 gig RAM and 64 gig inbuilt memory card with 4000 milliampere battery. So here is the charger, the Volcom charger, and the charging jack is Type C. The charging jack is Type C. So this is the cable. So it comes with a Type C charging cord. So, and then we have the earpiece. This is the Volcom earpiece. So can use it to receive your call and hear your music, and then the pin for removing the SIM. Yeah, this is the pin for removing the SIM. So here we go. Let's just run and set the phone. So I have to set the phone. Yeah, so I have to skip again. All sets. So you can actually see the full details of the phone from the my phone. You can see the full details here. The camera is you can see everything. The 4 gig RAM, expandable 4 gig. The memory is 64. You can see it there. So can see the camera. Yeah, it's just scanning. This is the camera. You can see the camera, very sharp. That is the front camera. That's me over there. Yeah. So thank you very much. Bye bye.